Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to the video session of Cantor Publisher. Students, today we will learn Mathematics 2, Chapter 3, Lecture number 2. For this purpose, you must have these books: textbook for grade 2, workbook, resource pack and summer pack. We will use main content from the textbook and the content relevant to our today's lesson from the workbook and the summer pack as well. But the resource pack is for the guidance for your teachers and parents. There is complete methodology given in it that how to teach you through activities and real life examples. This can be downloaded from our Cantor Publishers official website. Students, now come to the textbook. Unit number 3. This is about measurement of length, mass and capacity. We have discussed in topic 3.1 measurement of length. In topic 3.2 we will discuss about measurement of mass and weight, and at the end in topic 3.3 we will discuss about measurement of capacity. Students, now come to the today's topic. Our today's topic is measurement of mass and weight. In this topic, we will discuss the following SLOs. SLO means student learning outcomes. Look at the first SLO. Recognize the standard units of mass or weight in kilograms and grams. After that, we will read and write standard units of mass and weight including abbreviations like kilogram for kg and gram for g. At the end, we will solve real life problems involving mass and weight. Students, now open the textbook page number 67. What is mass? Mass. Look at the following examples. The apple, we measure apples in kilograms, chickens in kilograms. Show how much matter an object has. Look here, read this and this. Students, in your daily life you go to market or shop and buy some things in kilograms and grams. You buy some chickens, some fruits and extra. So those things which we buy having some weight, we measures in kilograms and grams. So remember one thing, 1 kg is equal to 100,000 grams. There are 100,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So gram, what is gram? So this is the mass having some weight. Gram is often used to weigh gold or precious things. For example, a paper clip weight about 1 gram. Gram is very small unit. It is often written in G, as I told you before. But a loaf of a bread weight about 700 grams, but a paper clip is about 1 gram. Students, now come to the next page, page number 68. Kilogram. Kilogram, it is also a measuring unit like grams. Kilograms are used for measuring the heavy weights. Like if you want to weight yourself, you will use the unit kilograms. That can be the heavy weights that can be lifted by people. Kilogram is written as kg. This is the abbreviation of kilogram. A bag of rice weight about 10 kg. We measure our weight, rice, wheat and extra in kilograms, heavy weight objects. Like if you want to weight yourself, then you have to measure your weight in kilograms. Now come to the textbook exercise. Look at these objects and color them. Color the objects heavy in blue and light in red. Which one is heavy among these three? So this one is heavy weight, this one is light weight. So heavy weight in blue and light weight in red. Similarly, which one is heavy? Apple, ball or bat? So bat is heavy and the ball is light. Similarly, in part C, book is heavy, book may be heavy than jug, but normally jug is heavy and book is lighter than jug, but the glass is light. So color them accordingly and complete this task at your home. At the end, send your book to your teacher for checking. Students, now come to the next question. Question number 2. There are masses we use to measure objects on the Belsing scale. So your school bag weight. How can you weight? You can measure and write appropriate weight. So you can measure your school bag in grams. This weight balance is 1 kg, this is 500 grams, and this one is 50 grams, and this one is 10 grams, and this one is 5 grams. So your lunch box filled with lunch weight. How much? It may be in grams. Your school's water bottle weight, definitely it will be in grams. So your books of English and maths will weight in grams. Your own weight is in kg. So you can use measuring scale to measure your weight. You can take help from your mother or your father or anyone else at your home. Students, complete this work at your home and send your textbook to your teacher for checking. Now come to the workbook. This is activity you have to perform with your mother, like this girl. Mom, can you help me to recognize and measure the weight or mass of sugar packet? Yes, I can help you. Her mom replied, and listen to me. Sugar bag. The mass of sugar bag, mass or weight of sugar packet is about 1 kg. You can check it from the market nearest to your home. The amount of matter that something contains is called mass. It is usually measured in grams or kilograms. So you have to memorize this definition of mass or weight. Students, now come to the next page. You have to perform this now. Read statement of example 1. Read the weight on the scale and tell the object which has less or more mass or weight. So read the weight. This watermelon is about 3 kg and this apple is about 200 grams. So gram is small unit, but the kilogram is the large unit. So watermelon is about 3 kg. So melon has more mass or weight than apple. So here you will have to write watermelon but then apple. Complete it on your workbook. In example 2, weigh yourself using weight balance. Then write your weight or mass in blank box. What is your weight? Ask the weight or mass of your friend and write in blank box. So ask your friend what is his or her weight. Who is heavy? Whose weight is more? Right here. This is a practical. You have to perform it with your friend. Now complete the project on the next page. You have to complete this project at your home with your mom. With the help of your mother, measure the mass or weight of vegetables for 3 days at your home. make a list below and tell on which day your family cooked more vegetables. So this is a practical example. You have to perform it for 3 days, and with the help of your mother, write the name of the day over here. Suppose today is Monday. On Monday, which vegetable cooked at your home? Like chicken, it may be potatoes. So what is the weight? 1 kg. And similarly, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, write for 3 days and then vegetable names and then their weight. At the end, identify on which day your family cooked more vegetables. So you have to compare these things. Similarly, perform it, complete this project with your mother. After completing this project, get the signature of your mother on this place. This is your mother's verification that she have to perform this project with you. Students, now come to the practice B. Look at question number 1. Choose the correct option. The mass or weight of a pack of vegetable is usually measured in grams, kilograms, or no unit. Pack of vegetables usually measured in kilograms. Now B. Mass or weight of a ring is usually measured in grams. Similarly, complete this. You have to choose one correct option and then write here. Observe the following objects and write the appropriate unit, G for grams and kg for kilograms, in which the objects can be weighted. So football or ball, you can measure it in grams. You have to measure the got in kgs. Similarly, you can write appropriate units for each of the following objects. You have to write in the blank spaces. Students, now come to the next page. Color the objects red which have more mass or weight, and color the objects green which have less mass or weight. So you have to complete this activity at your home. Color this apple has more. You have to color it in red, and less among these leaf, you have to color it in green. Similarly, complete these B and C parts. After that, after completing this homework on your workbook, send your workbook to your teacher for checking, and then your teacher will confirm and he or she will sign here that you have completed your task honestly. Students, I hope, students, what we have done today, let's revise. This will be weight. Our today's topic was measurement of mass or weight. In this topic, we have discussed these 3 SLOs, recognize the standard units of mass or weight, for example, kilograms and grams. And then we have learned how to read and write standard units of mass or weight, including abbreviation like grams and kilograms, means kg for kilograms and g for grams. At the end, we have solved the real life problems involving mass and weight. Students, I hope you understand today's lesson and enjoyed it. If you have questions and suggestions, please write us at mathematics@kentoppublisher.com. Thank you very much. Inshallah, we will see in our next class with new lesson. Allah Hafiz.